Nobody tells you this, but wrong RAM slots can kill your gaming performance by 40%. My son's brand new 32GB build was mysteriously slower than his brother's 16GB system. Same parts, same everything. As a Navy vet, I went full investigation mode. Turns out the RAM was in slots A1 and A2 instead of A2 and B2. This forces single channel operation that destroys memory bandwidth. Using testing software, I watched throughput drop from 45GB per second to 23. That's half the speed. Motherboard makers use confusing labels that trick even experienced builders. In Minecraft, Java, and Roblox Studio, frame rates tanked. My thermal camera showed the memory controller working overtime in single channel mode. The fix was simple. Move the sticks to the right slots. Boom, full dual channel performance restored. Proper channel configuration matters more than raw capacity. Before buying more RAM, check your slots first. You might already have the performance you paid for. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to see more content that will save you money and your build.